In this video, we'll start by assigning an IP address to one single computer. Now that's easy enough to do. We can simply type in the static IP address and our job here is done. But what happens if you have 200, maybe 300 PCs within your network? Do we want to connect to all of them and then jump onto the devices and statically assign the IP addresses? I think there's a better way of doing things. So we'll bring up a DHCP server. We'll connect that to the network and assign it a static IP address so that every computer on the network can reach that server. So we'll just use the last available IP address from this range. Next, we will go to the services and turn on the DHCP service. There we can create a pool which we can start from the .10 IP address, and we'll allow, say, only 20 computers within this pool. So now the DHCP server will assign IP addresses from that range. All we have to do now is come into these and click DHCP. This will initiate the DORA process. Now let's look at in depth what that DORA process looks like. The first packet that goes out is a discover packet. It's going out to the entire network. So it's as a broadcast. It's looking for the DHCP server. So once it reaches the server will reply with an offer. Now since the PC doesn't have an IP address, this will also be a broadcast. Next, the PC will request the offered IP address and the DHCP server will acknowledge that request and assign that IP address. Now, since these IP addresses are used up, the next usable IP address is .12 and that's what we'll get here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.